So in this question, we're given some signal z that's made up of the product of x and y. So x is this impulse function, and y is a cosine. And we're asked for the Fourier transform of z, where omega equals 0. So to find the Fourier transform of z, let's first find z in the time domain by simply multiplying x and y. So we simply put that in there and that in there and multiply the two signals. Now the Fourier transform, by definition, is the integration of that multiplied by e to the minus j omega t, integrated over all time. So if we simply put that in there, our integration looks something like that. Now, before you panic when you look at an integration like that, remember, because we have the impulse function there, we can use the sifting property. And we can say, well, because we're multiplying by an impulse, then you're allowed to say that t equals 0, and then just substitute that there and there. So you end up with 4 times 6 times e to the power 0. So there you get your final answer as 24. Now what I should have added was, we are told in the question that omega equals 0. So here you've got omega equals 0. So that is your final answer.